to Sounds of Heaaveeennn YouTube channel.
Yeah, it's so good to have you here.
Really, you are welcome. We are delighted that you are here with us. And if you stumbled on this YouTube channel, don't worry. You are here for a treat of joy, peace, laughter. Yeah, we are gonna make you laugh, and of course, communicating with the Father, edification of your spirit, and praising God. Because this is a Christian YouTube channel. It is a gospel YouTube channel where we promote godly music, we promote gospel music, and the songs, the artists. Everything is all about gospel music. Yes, so we give you top 5 gospel music in different categories. So we got you covered from the oldies to the natives to the indigenous to the pop. You know, we just got you covered in different areas. So relax, enjoy. You are here for a big treat.
Welcome on board. Here on Sounds of Heaaveeennn YouTube channel, we are all about promoting the kingdom culture, promoting artists and gospel songs that have blessed our hearts, blessed our souls, spirit and body. So the Sounds of Heaaveeennn YouTube channel is brought to you by thedive.com. If you want to know more about thedive.com, head up now to www.thedive.com for more interesting and Christian lifestyle stories that will blow your mind.
Once again, you're welcome to Sounds of Heaaveeennn YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Merci tout le monde. God bless you.
Remember that God is for you and keep repping the kingdom
Culture.